Hey guys, this video will be about OpenClaw, also known as Clawbot, Moltbot, name it whatever you want. This is an amazing tool and I'm obsessed with this tool. I've been using this for the last week and it is truly amazing. It is not that life-changing as many people say, but at the same time, I truly believe that it could be helpful and it can increase your productivity drastically. So in this video, I just want to show you my setup and show you one simple skill, how to use Clawbot with ClickUp. Because this is important. If you start giving it a lot of different random tasks, it will mess up. And the most important skill that's, in my opinion, your Clawbot should have is to be able to manage and handle ClickUp or any other like Notion board or something else. But in my case, it's a ClickUp. Also, this is my first video that will be like lifestyle video. I will not be editing this video much. I'll just cut off everything empty and that's it. And because this video will be seen by around 100 people, if you watch this video and if this tool like excites you and you need my help, feel free to reach out. I will link my Instagram. You'll be able to reach out and I'll be happy to help. The plan for today is to show you my setup with the ClickUp. But before we go there, I just want to share my vision of what is OpenClaw. If you think about ChatGPT or any other model as a brain, OpenClaw will be an interface. This interface helps you use your brain better. So that's my understanding. It has super simple setup, and of course, keep in mind, make sure it's secured. Set up your environment variables, and if you want me to make a video about security, let me know and I'll help you to set it up securely. But for now, let's go to ClickUp setup. So this is my ClickUp board that I use specifically for my bot. I named it Jarvis. I think about 40% of people give it name Jarvis, so it is what it is. And here we have few stages, few statuses of the tasks. Open, in progress, review, or closed. Closed are not visible because we don't need them. It is really important to understand the concept. For example, if you give AI many tasks at once, most likely it will make you really bad output, right? So that's why my strategy, I usually think about tasks that I need help with, and I'm adding those tasks to open stage, and I can also ask my Clawbot to add more tasks to open stage. And then when he's working on these tasks, he moves them to in progress. And when those tasks are done, he moves them to review for me to review and make sure those tasks done well. It's like a simple trick. I'll show you here in Teams, people. So I basically invited myself again and added plus Jarvis and explained my Clawbot that please use this as you when you want to pick assignee. Because sometimes tasks could be done by AI fully. Sometimes they will require my input. And sometimes I want AI to create a task for me, right? So that's why I've added specific assignee, Jarvis, and myself. Now, how to connect ClickUp to your Jarvis, your Moltbot, name it whatever you want. It's super simple. You need to create a skill. To be able to create a skill, you can do this programmatically, but it's much easier to do this through simple conversation. Basically, you need to say, hey Jarvis, let's create a skill. We will name it ClickUp. Your goal will be to add new tasks, I don't know, view them, edit them, well, adjust it for your needs. To do this, you need to go to ClickUp. First step, you need to go to ClickUp settings. ClickUp has settings on the left side, on the right side. You need to go like pick any. And here you need to go to apps, and here you'll see your API token. Copy this token or regenerate new, but keep in mind that it will be deleted from other apps. Copy this token and add it to your environment variables. I'm sure you know that to make environment variables work, you need to install all dependencies. But then you can simply add new variables to .env file, and your Clawbot will be able to access your API keys safely. So this is important. Now, when you finish this and you copy the API key and you edit it to your environment variables, you need to get back to your bot and say, let's create this new task. Your goal will be to add new tasks to ClickUp, manage them. Please find .env file and use it for accessing the ClickUp. It will create new folder inside skills folder and name it ClickUp. And inside this folder, it will pull all the files and all dependencies or like some smaller features that it needs to be able to basically add, update your ClickUp tasks. Now, important thing, Clawbot will have access to all accounts that you have on ClickUp. And this is really important. Therefore, you need to add a set of rules, which boards you're comfortable sharing with him and which boards are strictly only for you, okay? And like for me, I think the easiest way is to simply go to your board that you want to share it with your AI and then copy the URL. This URL will have an ID of the workspace and ID of the board, okay? Then go back to your Clawbot, paste it, and say you are only allowed to view and edit this specific board. And later, when you're more comfortable, you can say, okay, you can view this board, but edit only this board, all right? But of course, for our goal, we need to allow him view and edit. It will take like a few minutes and it will install everything needed. And from now on, you'll be able to use ClickUp with your Clawbot and track the tasks. So here's how it works for me. I'll show you like create a test task, add me and yourself as assignee, research top 5 skills for Clawbot and add them to ClickUp cart. Okay, let's see. It starts thinking. So it's still thinking, but as you can see, it's added the test tasks, research top 5 skills for Clawbot. So as you can see, it added the task, right? Test task, research 5 skills for Clawbot. And now I said, okay, you can green light, go ahead. Now, basically, you can set it up to track your ClickUp board all the time, but I prefer to think about like how I can use Clawbot and explain each task one by one. You can also set up cron job to check the board every now and then to see if there are any new tasks. For now, I mostly use Clawbot at night. During the day, I'm thinking about how I can use it, how I can speed up my work. And by the evening, there are around 12 tasks each day. Here are top 5 tasks. Let's see if he updated. Oh yeah, you see? So now this task's in review stage. And as you can see, here we have the data about top 5 skills that you need to use with your Clawbot. Skill creator, GitHub, LinkedIn, and so on. Actually, I've tried this LinkedIn and it's like not that good. I was not able to use it fully yet, but I'm still working on it. So yeah, that's my workflow. I add tasks to stage open. When I'm ready, I say complete those tasks one by one, not at the same time. When those tasks are in progress, they will appear here. And when they are finished, he will put them to the review stage where I can go and review them. And here's a good example of 2 tasks: create API skill, API skill, and create rapid API skill. So what I want to do, I want to connect to both of these platforms to be able to use any APIs they have. And for this, I need to help him and add my input, basically add API key for each one. And that's why those 2 tasks, they pending in the progress. And when he was working those tasks, he mentioned me, hey, like we need this, this, and that. Please continue from here. I think that's about it of my video. I hope it was interesting for you. If you have any task in mind that you want to implement in your workflow or overall, I'll be happy to implement your skill task, share it with you, make a video about it. So feel free to let me know and follow for more.